So now let's now do like a brief overview of the differences between civil law and common law before we now talk about the hybrid law. So let's do it together. So let me know whether you guys were actually listening to me or you're just admiring this beauty. So the first feature is source of law, right? So let's do it together. Where did I say common law system arise from? England, right? And why did I say England? From British. And which countries did I say practice this country common law? Countries that actually what speak English, that were what colonized by British. Then for civil law system, where did I say the law arise from? They arise from where? Roman. And their common where? What did I say Roman is? Roman is a language word. So that means that they are common in language countries, specifically in French countries or other countries like Germany. You understand? All those French-speaking countries or language countries. I hope you understand that. Then the next feature is, what's the role of the judge? In common law jurisdiction, the role of the judge is passive. She just sits there, listens to two people argue, make a decision, and make a ruling. Whereas in civil law system, the judge asks questions. She's the one, he or she is the one asking relevant questions to the case. I hope you guys are following now. We are doing revision now. So regarding precedent, for common law judicial, case precedent is binding, right? Lower court must submit to higher court, so you use higher court's case for if you're in lower court. Whereas for civil law, case precedent is not binding. They depend entirely on statutory law, right, or written law. So the next in my list is, what's the court dynamic? Like I said, for common law, it is adversarial, two enemies in court. This one argue, this one argue. Whereas the civil law, the judge takes the leading question. It's like the interviewer. And I've talked about the origin as well. So now let's talk about the hybrid system. So having understand, so you guys just said that we just did revision of the common law versus the civil law system. Common law system. When you're writing, don't forget common law system. You know there's another common law that is actually a primary source of law. If you watch that video that is upcoming, you see it. So when you're writing, don't do mistake and write common law, civil law. Make sure you add the system, because there's a difference between common law and common law system. There's a difference between civil law and civil law system. You understand? Don't forget your system. So if this video was helpful, give me a like, give me a share, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks for now. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.